Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to register a KuCoin account and get started with trading step by step. If this helps you, hit like so more people can find it. First, go to the KuCoin website and click Sign Up in the top right corner. You can register using your email or phone number. After entering your details, you'll receive a verification code via email or SMS. Enter that to complete the registration. Once registered, click Log In at the top right to access your account. You can log in using your email, phone number, or even a QR code. Next, it's important to secure your account. Go to your profile, select Account Security, and set up your trading password. This is a 6-digit code used for deposits, withdrawals, trading, and creating APIs. Then link Google Authenticator for two-factor authentication to make your account even safer. If you registered with email, you can also link your phone number. After your account is secured, it's time to deposit funds. Go to the deposit page and add your funds. Once your deposit is credited, transfer the assets from your funding account to your trading account so you can start trading. That's it. Your KuCoin account is ready for spot trading. If this helped you get started quickly, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.